Do you know what pains me the most? Is that the truth is very hard for people to believe, to digest, to swallow. It's very, very hard for people to digest too. If you're an Igbo man, then you don't support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That means you're not an Igbo. Maybe you are just from somewhere else. Yes, I come out to say it. Maybe you are just from somewhere else. I'm not an Igbo. I'm not a Fulani. I'm not an Hausa. I'm not a Yoruba. But I support that man with my life, with my blood. I support that man. I support him. I support him with my blood. You get why? Now, why I tell you, say the truth, they very hard for people to digest. The truth, they very hard for someone to swallow. They very hard. Even if you got a criminal now, very, very hard to get the truth from that criminal. It's only your IQ you used to get the truth. Because you were not there with the time he committed the crime. It's only your IQ you use to get the truth. So the truth, they very hard. It is very hard for people to swallow. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a great man. I'm telling you, he's a great man. Someone who comes out to speak